Hey, my friends and my foes. We have had 4, 5 back-to-back nailing, impaling trades in the signals group. Boy, it feels good when you trim the fat off the beef. Everyone is happy. They're positive. There's no little dweebs that are being annoying and bringing people down. And we are clowning on this market. Absolutely clowning. So I'm feeling jolly and giving. Yes. So it's hard for me sometimes to give away, especially there is one indicator that literally has about a 100% success rate. And you know, I thought about saying 90% just to cover my ass in case out of the blue one doesn't work. But for the past year, this one indicator, whenever it appears, never fails. And it has graced us with life-changing profits. That indicator is technically called the doji candle. Now, what is the doji candle? It is a long hair with a thin, right in the middle is what we want. We want a thin little brick right in the middle. And it's funny because in standard TA, depending on where it is, sometimes it's bullish, they say it's bullish, yeah. But in crypto, it always means that we are going down. Now, sometimes we'll see a doji candle and we'll go up a couple candles, but the down is coming. So when I see the doji, I know it's time. I know it's time. Now, we are in a very fun, very entertaining cycle right now. It's the weekend, it's Chinese, things are going up and down. We are at this line of resistance. We are Fibonacci repeating what we have been beating in the past. If you ain't first, you're last. Alas, CryptoFace, the captain, is here to forge the stream. We are forging the stream. We literally shorted right here, exited right here, longed right here, exited up here, shorted, cashed, and then shorted again and cashed. Now, I got another play. Yeah, we're in another play right now. And in this volatile back and forth market, there's going to be a crackdown sell-off. I know it. We're 5 for 5 so far in the past day and a half. Even if it goes backwards, even if it comes up to here, it's going down. This line is too strong. Every single one of these pumps, these little pumps, guess what? There was a pump right here. Everyone's like, oh, it's up. Oh. There was a pump right here. Everyone's like, oh, no. Oh, it's going back up. This right here. Oh, it's going back up. It's going back up. It's going back up. This pump right here is exactly what we needed. Because now we're going to be able to gut and take all these profits again. So the doji candle, folks. The doji candle. We crowned the Wu-Tang pattern. Let's pull that up here, just in case you missed it. We are going to call this the Wu-Tang pattern. Shout out to the dude in the comments that picked it up. I knew it looked familiar. So add this to your pattern book. This Wu-Tang. When we saw this, when next time we see this, when it's right here, if it's downwards pointing, we're gonna long. If it's upwards pointing, we'll probably short it. So remember that. And the doji candles have been paying us. It's been I mean, it's got to be 80%, 90%. The doji candles. And there's different kinds, but we like a nice long one with a little brick in the middle. So I got a special, and I really don't like giving specials or discounts, because if you donate, and it's a lifetime membership to literally probably the best signal group out there, it's already a steal. So here's the deal. If you are not in the whale crew yet, you have 24 hours to get $50 off. $450 donation. A $450 Bitcoin donation to the channel. To the address below in the description will get you in 24 hours. So at this time tomorrow, not a minute after, I don't want to hear. 24 hours should be enough time for you to do what you got to do. That's your special. That's your New Year's, Christmas, Jolly Boy special. And I feel dirty for doing it. I feel dirty. So we are playing in the Chinese mud, and we're just wrecking shop, folks. We're wrecking shop. We are wrecking shop, and like I said, the stars are aligning. The stars are aligning, folks. So if you can't afford that, then at least use the doji, use the pattern. Let's take a look at some. I'm a little disappointed. There should be way more profit. Okay, let's take a look at today. Let's look at Benz. Shout out to Benz. 23% on this last trade. It's killing it. B Mitch. Way to go, dude. We got people of all shapes and sizes. 91%. Way to go, bro. 50x. Good for you, buddy. Don't recommend it. Armitage for Chromitage. 61%. Way to go. C-Roll, this dude's brand new to crypto. This guy's a flopping groper. This dude's flopping and groping, always asking questions. At least he doesn't tell other people what to do. He just baits other people into telling them what to do so they get in trouble. But he's all right. Look, he's pulling profits. This dude came in, flopping and groping, pain in pain. If this guy can do it, you probably can too. Slim Shady, 59%. Way to go. 1.15 Bitcoin. 0.58. This dude made almost 2 Bitcoin yesterday. Way to go. Ugo. Way to go, Ugo. Look how smart this guy is using 5x leverage. Being smart. Look, still making 0.1 Bitcoin. Guy makes $500 in one trade. Safely. Safely. You can use 5x leverage and make a shit ton of money. Way to go, Alan. Way to go, Kenny. 86%. This is about, what do you make? $1,000 right here, almost 800. Way to go. Boom. Way to go, Nakamoto. Hiking a sheet. Making the bread, bro. Good job. The Sloth. Way to go. So I can't believe someone accused me of photoshopping all this. What an idiot. Way to go. All shapes and sizes. Mr. Bud. All shapes and sizes. This is a 30% gain. Max. First trade in the whale group. 230%. Fluffy Potato. 100%. Marty. B. Mitch. I buy at 19K. Look at that. 300%. So, need I say more? 24 hours. You got 24 hours to get $50 off and change your life. Peace.